Put it on the side. I look bold. That's not even cute.
Hey, I go shopping, want it, then I cop it, hey, yeah.
Hey y'all, period. So today I am back with another video, and today I'm gonna be, doing a nice sleek ponytail, and we're gonna get into that. But before we get started, y'all already know, if you are new here, thanks for stopping by. I hope you want to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, make sure you like the video and comment, and don't forget to share. And we're gonna get into it. So I'm about to show you everything that I have before I get started. I got this pre-stretched hair that I just had left over, and it's an extra piece, so it's gonna be some, I'm gonna put this, I'm gonna braid it into my real hair, and then I'm gonna add the hair on it, and then y'all gonna see it's gonna be lit. And so yeah, we don't spend a whole lot of money on our hair over here, so we got this premium too, and I'm going to use this to wrap it around a ponytail, and it's not going to look all skimpy. It's going to be looking like that, and yeah, that's on period. And I also got this brush. You need like a hard brush to really your hair back. And I got this brush for when I get at the top, make it look a little smooth, you feel me? I got some combs or whatever for my little comb pack. The bobby pins, Gotta have all the bobby pins so you can, I'm gonna get y'all right. The blow dryer, okay? This is a key, because you can't have the blow dryer without having this. You gotta have the Gotta Be glue spray. It's a must. Don't put nothing else in your hair when you're doing a sleek ponytail but the Gotta Be glue spray, because I'm trying to tell y'all, y'all hair gonna be looking like skimpy. Okay, skimpy is my new word, so if I keep saying it, don't mind that. But yeah, so I'm gonna start off by taking this out because I just got finished flat on my hair. Don't do me, and I'm not bald headed, so again, don't do me. Okay, so I put it on the side. I look bald. That's not even cute. I put it on the side that I normally want it on, and I'm gonna be looking over here because my mirror is over here, so I can get a nice part. Because y'all can't go nowhere without a nice part. Because if your part is messed up, whole hairdo done. So yeah, so I'm gonna get this together. Okay, so this is my part. This is foundation that we're going for. I look bald headed. Okay, but listen, this is the foundation that we're going for, and we're just gonna put that back because that's not cute. Okay, so we're gonna go behind here, and we're gonna make a part. Okay, it ain't straight. I already know it. I can feel it. I don't have my second mirror like I normally do, so we're gonna have to rock that. You're gonna get the scrunchie because we always have the scrunchie. Turn it back here. You get this spray and you spray it, like you put your hair like in a ponytail, like how it is. That's like you do it in sections. And you spray right there. You brush it a little bit. You get the blow dryer, blow dry it. And yeah.
If you ain't moving with the team, then you better move the F back.
Oye, Marciana. Damn, mommy. What was you think?
Guess what? He'll still be alive right now. I ain't guess what. Back in the edit, guess what? Back in the edit, guess what?
With the gang, I was the mob. What was you thinking? Remember them days and that shit was hard. A nigga been thinking. I put a 4 in a 20 ounce. A nigga been drinking. If you with the squad, I give you my heart, little nigga, I mean it. I was was raised in the deep end. I know niggas be sinking. Take your bitch and go deep in, but I give it back while you tweaking. Come around with that.
Todd, can you play that again?
Hold it, what was you thinking? Hold it,
Todd, come on.
hold the mind, what was you thinking? That shit was hard, a nigga been thinking. Hold the mind, what was you thinking? You with the squad, I give you my heart, a nigga, I mean it. I was fighting some demons, you didn't feel me, come beat me. I was raised in the deep end. I know niggas be take your bitch and go deep in, but I give it back while you picking the edges. Come around with that rah-rah, we leave that on the stage.
Ayo, Reek.
Now you been served. I like a guy with a little bit of curve. Hit this bitch with an uppercut. Ay, I go shopping, want it, then I cop it. Ay, popping, I do what
Can
they
you play that
copy. Ay,
again?
look, he's a sweetie, kiss it when he. He's a sweetie, kiss it when he get it. Kiss it when he eat it. Ay. I go shopping, want it, then I cop it. Ay, he's a sweetie, kiss it when he. Ay, poppin', I do what they copy. Ay, look, he's a sweetie, kiss it when he. He's a sweetie, kiss it when he get it. Kiss it when he eat it. Ay, I go shopping, want it, then I cop it. Ay, this pussy with an uppercut.
Todd, can you play that again?
When he eat it, ay, eat it. Call that Captain Hook.
EMG.
I go shopping, want it, then I cop it. I do it. Gotcha, bitch. I go shopping, want it, then I cop it. I do what they.
Put it down.
Can you say that again?
Your favorite project, girl, and I'm here to say good. Yes, I think I'm there is nothing I can do when danger crosses all that I am because I'm
So now we're gonna get into putting this on, and that's just gonna be that, and that's on period.
If you ain't moving with the team, then you better move the F back.
Oye, Marciana.
Damn, mommy.
What was you think?
New op pack in the air, this guess what? He'll still be alive right now. I ain't guessing one. Back in the air, this guess what? Back in the air, this guess what?
I was the gang, I was the mom. What was you thinking? Remember them days and that shit.
Now we take this and we wrap it around the hair with some glue.
Now you been served. I like a with a little bit of curve. Hit this bitch with an uppercut.